Alright, it's teardown time. Forgot to mention too, the teardown, the scooter is going to be really easy, since the biggest problem it's got is it's missing. Turn the light on here. So many bolts. It's got one bolt holding the gas tank on, and it's only finger tight. It's also missing the screws here that hold this cover plate right here on. They come in here from this back side. Right there. I gotta find those. I also forgot to show you, it comes with a glove box. There's some super good in here. Had some old state inspection paperwork in there and an owner's manual. Nothing really exciting. Alright, so the biggest thing I want to accomplish today is getting this gas tank out and the carburetor off. I want to go ahead and get them things removed and start cleaning those. Alright, let's get these covers off and get this gas tank out. Alright, so got all the side panels off. Did notice one issue with this one. This front tab right here, it's broken off. I'm not sure if the body shop will be able to fix that or not, but it's not really that necessary. And I found out there's a bunch more mismatched screws. I was missing this screw right here on the other side. It's only got one screw holding the bumper in. I don't know what happened to half the bolts. Half the bolts in this thing, but they're all missing. Alright, so now it's to get this gas tank off here. There might be a little bit of a problem. I should have started earlier. That fuel line is completely separated. Oh. Yeah, that went straight to the filter. Alright, let me finish popping this off. Alright, fuel tank's off. This petcock looks like it's been changed. Looks like there's marks on it. And it looks fairly new, but it's not flowing any gas. And if you hear this, listen. Can you hear all those pieces sliding around in there? That tank's definitely got a bunch of rust in it. So I gotta get that cleaned out. But, put this light on. Another thing I noticed too, I thought there was an oil leak, but not sure what this is. Something's coming out of here. That could be something to do with the crank breather or something. I don't know. Well, not sure what that is, but I guess I'll have to replace all these hoses because they're leaking. I see a crack in it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's dry rotted like crazy. That's crazy. Look how clean this engine is. This thing looks freaking brand new besides a little bit of dirt. Look how clean the carb is. And also, should have said that this is a beach. This is a coastal scooter too, with almost no rust. This thing spent its whole life at Virginia Beach. Pretty incredible. Just a little bit of corrosion it has. Let's get this old gas tank right here. Drain it. See what this looks like. Actually doesn't look bad. It's pretty clean for the most part. There's definitely a little rust down in the tank. Not sure if I'll be able to pick that up or not. Alright, I got the sender unit popped loose. Let's see what this looks like together. Oh. I'm amazed at how clean this thing is. I mean, you can see there's a little bit of rust. Get the
the light shine right, but for the most part, this tank's pretty clean.
Alright, now that I've managed to get the tank off and seen how clean the inside of that tank was, I mean, it just had a thin layer of surface rust on the inside of it, just kind of speckled throughout. And then seeing how clean the cylinder head is, and then how clean that sending unit was, I am stoked about this thing. I feel like this thing, look at this. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but the frame is like glossy. It still looks brand new. I feel like we're just tearing this whole thing apart and a bunch of degreaser. This scoot's gonna look brand new by the time it's done. I'm just really hoping these couple minor things that are wrong with the plastics and get them sorted out, because plastics are almost impossible to find for this thing. But yeah. Alright, well, let's get this carburetor off and see what that looks like. Alright, before I pop this carburetor off, I figure I want to check to see what the air box looks like. But I don't think this, if anything hasn't been changed on the scooter, it's this air filter. There's a screw back here in the back, and you gotta take this shock loose. Which, take 1 second and just admire how shiny and brand new looking this shock bolt is. It's freaking incredible. Alright, let's see what this looks like. That's up there, don't look bad. Yeah, this isn't the prettiest. I mean, it's not horrible. Dang. Alright, let's continue ripping into this thing. Alright, well, I got the carburetor off. And like the good mechanic I am, I broke it. I broke this. That's right there. Let's go get the bucket. Honda calls this the air cutoff valve. But you want to know what? Look, have it. eBay's got a brand new one. Bingo! So I'm going to go ahead and order this. And then we'll tear into the carburetor, clean the jets out, and go ahead and get all this probably ethanol gas out of this thing. I'll probably never see ethanol again. It just keeps looking good. Still gonna pop these jets out though and go ahead and blow them out. Sure. Alright, well, that's about as clean as the carburetor is getting for now. I'll finish cleaning it all up once I get some new fuel line to replace all these old lines and clean this harness up. But I'll put that up, put a little bag or something. Alright, well, that's going to conclude this video. Not sure where I'm going to pick up at next time, but there's probably something dismantling the front of it or maybe dropping the engine out. I'm not sure, but hope you enjoyed this little project, and I'll see you on the next one. Shoo!